Hello, we are going to learn how to do a text lookup. We have a simple file from an HR which contains employee name, their salary, and a department ID. They wish to send it to their senior, but they do not want these department ID codes, but rather the entire department name. Okay. So we open Transformer, find out where is the department ID being loaded, do a lookup transformation. Text, we'll call it department lookup, give it a name, text, where your file is loaded. I will just load this file. So I have loaded the file here. We go to mapping, click on the first name, first row, set fields name. So all the names come up in the header. Now we are giving an input of department ID, DEPT ID, which is what we will select here. And in the output field, we want an output of department names. Click OK. OK. And if you will preview your results, you will start seeing human resources. Click OK. Run the transformation and refresh. Here we go. Thank you.